Hey everyone! If you're a developer, or just stepping into the world of coding, you know how essential it is to keep your tools updated. Today, I'm going to walk you through how to download and set up the latest version of Java. So let's dive in. First things first, you'll want to check which version of Java you currently have installed. Open up your command prompt or terminal and type. This command will tell you the version you have, if any. If it says Java version, you're good, but if it returns an error, or if your version is outdated, it's time for an update. Head over to the official Java website. That's oracle.com/java. Once there, you'll see a big button that says Java Download. Click on that. Make sure you choose the right operating system. Whether it's Windows, Mac, or Linux, they've got you covered. After clicking the download link, you might have to accept the license agreement. It's important to read through these, even if they can be a bit dry. Just scroll through, check the box, and hit the download button. Now the download should start, and this could take a few minutes depending on your internet speed. Once downloaded, open the installer. On Windows, you'll just need to follow the prompts. Click Next, agree to the terms, and choose your installation directory. It's usually best to stick with the default settings unless you have a specific reason to change them. For Mac users, you'll drag the Java icon into your Applications folder. And for Linux, the process might vary slightly depending on your distribution, but generally, you'll run a command in the terminal to install the package. Once installed, let's verify the installation. Go back to your terminal or command prompt and type again. You should now see the new version number displayed. And that's it. You've successfully installed the latest version of Java on your computer. Now, why is this important? Keeping Java updated ensures you have the latest security fixes and performance improvements. It's not just about running your application smoothly. It's also about protecting your system from potential vulnerabilities. Thanks for hanging out with me today. If this guide helped you, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Let me know in the comments if there's another tutorial you'd like to see. Until next time, keep coding and stay sharp.